Did you ever worry about money at school?
Did your parents work?
Can you not stick that in my nose, mate?
Did you ever struggle with money?
I don't think I was aware of whether my parents were having financial struggles.
Did you worry about money in school?
When I was in school, I was more worried about playing football and just having a good time. Maybe it's different these days, Ed. Maybe you do worry a bit more about money.
What do you think about the schools in Central Squint?
I think it's fantastic. Any support that can be offered, I'm sure, is greatly appreciated by the parents. It's tough out there at the minute.
What was your favourite school meal?
I reckon Fridays fish and chips.
What was your favourite school meal?
Oh, cooked dinner, mate. Cooked dinner. I think Mrs. Jones, the dinner lady, used to do a crack in Yorkshire pudding.
Your favourite sausage?
Your favourite sausage?
Were you a troublemaker in school?
No, not really.
Did you ever go to parties?
I was in boarding school, so no, I didn't.
Did you ever get into trouble in school?
Yes.
Did you go to the head teacher?
I did once have to go to the head teacher, yeah. I'm sorry, Eddie.